Cell, the basic unit of life. The Earth formed 4.5 billion years ago. About 1 billion years later, life here started. Today, there are millions of diverse organisms living on Earth. All these different living things share one important characteristic: cells. Every living thing is made of cells. Simple organisms can be made from a single cell, while complex organisms are made of billions of living cells working together. Cells are alive. What is a cell? Robert Hooke was the first scientist to say he saw cells through a microscope. He thought cells looked like a lot of little rooms. That's what cell means, a little room. Cells are tiny factories that use energy from food or the sun, make chemicals, and remove waste. Cells can also make exact copies of themselves. This is called replication. A cell can reproduce to make another living cell, so life keeps itself going. Where did the first cell come from? Scientists think that the ancient ocean was full of chemicals. Chemicals that are the same will often stick together. These chemicals formed bubbles with water inside. The outside of this bubble was the first cell membrane. After millions of years of small changes, the membrane could grow bigger. That means the bubble could grow bigger, split, and form two bubbles. Each new bubble could also grow and split. At this point, the bubbles became cells, and the first life appeared on Earth. Many of the living organisms on Earth today are still almost the same as these early cells. These living organisms are called bacteria. Bacteria are one of the kingdoms of life, the Monera. Most bacteria are tiny. They are filled with cell liquid called cytoplasm, but don't have complex cell parts like a nucleus. Simple cells like bacteria are called prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells, bacteria, always live alone as single-celled organisms. Even when they sometimes join together, they are still living their own lives. Some bacteria get energy by making their own food by photosynthesis. Some get food from their environment. This all happens in an aquatic environment. This may be very large, like an ocean, or very small, like the inside of your mouth. Although simple, bacteria are diverse. There are over 8,000 species in different shapes and sizes. Life on Earth could not exist without bacteria. A cell with a nucleus. Now, it's your turn to make a digital story.